Hello, my name is Abhijit Karmakar, and today's date is 7th December 2021, and today's video topic is SCP. SCP means string constant pool. So we will discuss string constant pool. So what is a string constant pool in a Java? String pool is a storage area in a Java heap. So string is allocation like all object allocations, proves to be a costly affair in both the cases of time and memory. The JVM performs some steps while initializing string literal to increase performance and decrease memory overhead. So to decrease the number of string objects are created in the JVM, the string class keeps a pool of string. Each time a string literal is created, the JVM checks the string literal pool first, and if the string is already exist in the string pool, a reference to pulled in instance return. If the string does not exist in the pool, a new string object is initializing and is placed in a pool. After how does a string pool works in Java? When you create a new string, is string s1 is equal to double quote uh, Rohan, and the JVM is automatically checks if the same value exists in a string or a constant pool or not. So if yes, it is occupies the already existing value. If no, it create a new string by itself and add it to the string pool. If you want to this behavior and create string using new operate like string s1 is equal to new string uh, round bracket in double quote Rohan. So now if you are willing add this string in the string literal pool, so Java provides you with a method called the intern method. You can call native intern method like s1 is s1 dot intern round bracket. So now we will show you implementation and now you how to implement working of a string pool. So string pool, let's string pool, the class is loaded when JVM is invoked, and JVM looks for all the string literal in the program. First, it finds the variable s1 which refers to literal Rohan, and it gets created in the memory. So a reference for the literal Rohan is the placed in the string constant pool memory, and then it find another variable s2 which refers to the same string pool uh, Shivam. So then it finds another variable s3 which refers to the literal Rohan, and now the JVM has already found a string literal Rohan. Both the variable s1 and s3 will refers to the same object. The intern working of program. So these are the SCP we will see in this video. And string constant pool is a special memory area. When the declare string literal, the JVM creates an object in a pool and store its reference to stack. So when the system loads the classes, string literals of all classes go to application level pool. It is because the fact of the equals string literal uh, equals string literal of different classes have to be a same object. In this situation, data in the pool should be available to each class without any deficiency. So that's all about SCP string construct pool. Thank you.